Are you losing your past customers? We all have that list of past customers that you fully intended to call, but then life happens. You had an inspection that goes sideways and you got a new lead, and all of a sudden you look up 2 years down the line and you realize you haven't even checked in with your customers. Here's the part that hurts. Most people don't switch agents because they're unhappy. They switch because they're human. And humans just reach out to the last person that stayed in contact with them. And if that's you, that's essentially like handing over your hard-earned referrals to total strangers. That's exactly why we built Client Connect into the Velocity Suite. It's like an invisible assistant that handles the long game for you. It keeps you in the conversation automatically, ensuring that you're the only agent that they think about 5 years from now. You've worked too hard to let your business fade away just because you're busy being successful. If you want to see how we automate the human side of the business, check out our website, cbvtotalagent.com. See you there.